All right, listen up. Entrepreneurship. It's not just a job, it's an adventure, a wild ride. Think roller coasters, big thrills, big rewards, yes, money, but more. Freedom, control. You call the shots. You're the captain, steering your own ship. How cool is that? It's about building something you own. Your sweat, your smarts, your success. Booyah. Now let's be real. It's not all sunshine. There are twists, there are turns, loop-de-loops. Some days you're up, sky high. Other days, you're down, feeling the G-force. But that's the game, folks. That's the excitement. If it were easy, everyone would do it. This path takes guts. It takes heart. Are you ready for that kind of action? This isn't just about dreaming. It's about doing. It's about taking that leap, believing in yourself, even when things get tough. Especially then, this is your chance to make a mark. First up, the big one, building from scratch. This is the classic, the American dream. You have an idea, a brilliant spark. You nurture it, you grow it, from nothing. Imagine a tiny seed. You plant it, water it, watch it sprout into a mighty tree. That's your business, your creation, all yours, from the ground up. Powerful. This path takes serious hustle, serious grit. Think long nights, early mornings, coffee, lots of it. You're the chief cook and bottle washer. You wear all the hats. At least at first. It's demanding. It's challenging, no doubt. But the satisfaction? Off the charts. You built this with your own two hands. That feeling? Priceless. Absolutely priceless. What kind of business? Anything you can imagine. A cool new coffee shop. The next big app. A unique service nobody else offers. Maybe you invent something. A game changer. The possibilities? Endless. As big as your dreams. Okay, maybe starting from zero sounds too wild. Want a business with a safety net? A proven plan? Then listen closely. Franchise? Franchise. This could be your golden ticket. Seriously, think big names. McDonald's, Subway, the UPS store. They've done the hard work, figured it out. They give you the blueprint, the system. You just follow the instructions. Smart. This path can lower your risk. Big time. You get a known brand. Customers already trust it. That's huge. Instant recognition. Marketing help. You get training, support, ongoing guidance. It's like having training wheels for your business. You're still the boss. You run the show. But you're not alone. You've got backup. That's a sweet deal for many folks. But hold on. It's not a free ride. There are rules. You gotta follow them. The franchisor calls many shots. Product, pricing, you pay fees, initial fees, ongoing royalties. That's their cut for the system, for the brand. So, less creative freedom. Boom! The internet. It changed everything. And for entrepreneurs, it's a gold mine, a digital frontier, waiting for you to stake your claim. Online businesses, low startup costs sometimes, global reach, 24/7 operations, click, click, profit. This is where the action is, people. Are you plugged in? You better be. The future is digital. Get on board. Think e-commerce, selling stuff online, your own website, or platforms like Amazon, Etsy, Shopify, clothes, gadgets, handmade crafts, anything. No need for a fancy storefront. At first, your shop is open to the world. All day, all night. That's leverage, that's scale, that's mad money potential. Dropshipping, affiliate marketing, so many models. Dive in. The water's warm and full of customers. But it's not just selling physical goods. Content is king. Are you a writer, a talker, blogging, vlogging on YouTube, podcasting? Build an audience, share your passion, your expertise, then monetize. Ads, sponsorships, merchandise. Become an influencer, a thought leader. Turn your hobbies into a paycheck. Section 5, Path 4, the social innovator, making a difference. So you want to do more than just make money, huh? You want to change the world, make it better? Well, guess what? You can do both. Welcome to social entrepreneurship, where business meets heart. Now, this isn't some fluffy, feel-good nonsense. Nope, this is smart business. This is the future. Solving social problems, environmental problems, and building a profitable company. It's a win-win. Think about companies like Tom's Shoes. Buy a pair, they give a pair. Simple, yet powerful. Or Patagonia, fighting for the planet. Customers love this stuff. They vote with their wallets, wanting to support businesses that care, ones that align with their values. It's a movement, and you can be part of it. Heck, you can be a leader in it. Profit and purpose, hand in hand. It's beautiful. So, what issues do you care about? Is it poverty, education, clean water, sustainability, or maybe animal welfare? Find your cause, then build a business around it. Section 6. Famous faces, different mazes. How the big guns did it. Let's talk about the titans, the legends. How did they do it? What paths did they take? Steve Jobs, Apple. Started in a garage. Classic, with a vision and insane drive. He built a revolution. He saw the future and made it happen. From a humble beginning. Then there's Oprah Winfrey, queen of media. She built her empire, her way, authenticity. She connected deeply. From talk show host to media mogul. Incredible. She blazed her own trail. Her brand is her values. Be you. Your unique voice can be your greatest asset. Jeff Bezos, Amazon. Started as an online bookstore. Remember that? Just books. Now, the everything store. He saw the potential of the internet. Early on, he wasn't afraid to think big, to reinvest, to disrupt entire industries. Relentless innovation. From a small online startup to a global behemoth, realized on a massive scale. Section 7. Finding your lane. What makes you tick? All right, enough about them. Let's talk about you. This is where it gets personal. Deep dive time. What makes you tick? What gets you fired up? What are you truly passionate about? Not just like love. This isn't a trick question. It's the foundation. Your passion is your fuel, your rocket booster. It will keep you going when things get tough. And trust me, things will get tough. Are you a people person? Do you love connecting? Maybe a service business is your jam. Consulting, coaching, or a retail shop where you interact all day. Are you a numbers whiz? Love spreadsheets? Data? Maybe a financial tech company or an analytics service. Are you a creative soul? An artist, a designer, then a design studio, a craft business, content creation. Know your strengths, play to them. Think about your hobbies, your interests. What do you do in your free time? For fun? Could that be a business? Many great companies started that way. Love baking? Maybe that gourmet cookie business. Love gaming? Maybe develop your own game or a streaming channel. Section 8. Skills, passion, goals, your entrepreneurial GPS. Okay, let's get practical. Time to build your GPS, your personal navigation system, for this adventure. First up, skills. What are you good at? Make a list. Seriously, write it down. Hard skills, coding, writing, accounting, marketing, soft skills, communication, leadership, problem solving. Be honest. What talents do you bring to the table? These are your tools, your weapons in the business battlefield. Next ingredient, passion. We talked about this, but it's so crucial. It deserves a double mention. What do you genuinely love doing? What topics could you talk about for hours? What activities make you lose track of time? This isn't just about enjoyment. It's about energy. Passion provides sustainable energy for the long haul. It's the difference between a job and a calling. Section 9. Light that fire. Your adventure awaits. All right, team. We've covered a lot of ground, different paths, big shot examples, finding your fit. Now what? Action. That's what. Enough thinking, enough planning, time to do. The world doesn't need another dreamer. It needs doers, innovators, trailblazers like you. Your ideas have power. Your energy is contagious. Don't keep them locked up inside. Unleash them. Don't wait for the perfect moment. It'll never come. Perfection is a trap. It leads to paralysis. Start small. Test your idea, get feedback. Learn as you go. Pivot if you need to. Mistakes? They're not failures. They're lessons. Tuition in the school of hard knocks. Embrace them. Every successful entrepreneur has a pile of them. It's part of the journey, part of the fun. The biggest hurdle? Often, it's ourselves. Doubt, fear.